Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how easy it is to make garlic knots. So let's get into the video. To start off, I have Pillsbury pizza dough, and then I have olive oil, minced garlic, fresh basil, roasted garlic and herb seasoning, garlic parmesan seasoning, and fresh parsley. Once I remove that pizza dough from the can, I'm just going to slice it up. And then I'm going to roll out each piece and roll it out just long enough so that I can tie a knot. And that's literally all you do to make garlic knots is roll out the dough and tie it in a knot. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to combine the rest of the ingredients in a bowl, and then I'm going to mix them all together. Once I have everything mixed, I'm going to toss those garlic knots in there before baking. And this part is actually optional. You only need to toss your garlic knots after they're cooked, but for me personally, I like to do it before and after. So once I'm done tossing those, I'm going to bake them at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna melt a couple of tablespoons of this garlic butter. It has Parmesan cheese and fresh basil in it. And once those garlic knots are done, I'm just gonna spoon some of that melted butter over the top. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make garlic knots. And y'all, I apologize for my voice going in and out. I live in Texas where the weather is extremely bipolar and it just can't seem to pick a struggle, which means my voice can't seem to pick a struggle. So you guys asked me to start doing voiceovers, and I'm doing this for you because I love all of you guys, but please just forgive my voice. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if your post notifications are not turned on, you can do that by clicking the bell at the top right.